Is yes and no your favorite word? Yes.
Thank you for sharing. I was just kidding. You can have it. You should have it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. No, you have it. Now you drink.
Yes. No. No. What's your favorite word? Yes. That. What's your favorite word? That. That's your favorite word? How about mama? Dada? That's dada.
That.
That.
You look at it. Want it?
No.
You want this?
What's that, a bowl? Is that a bowl?
This?
That's a bowl. No.
You want this?
What's that, a cup? Is that a cup?
You want this?
That's a bowl. Bowl.
Good bowl. Good job.
Good words. Bowl.
Mm.